Welcome to this tutorial on crafting the elegant midnight daisy bracelet. Let's get started. Materials needed: nylon thread, lobster clasp, jump rings, chain extension, black seed beads, golden seed beads. Cut a length of beading thread. Begin by opening a jump ring, attaching the clasp to it, and then closing the jump ring securely. String one black seed bead onto the thread, pass both ends of the thread through this bead in opposite directions, creating an X pattern, and pull tight. On each thread end, add 2 black seed beads. Then, add one more black bead and cross both thread ends through it, pulling tight to form the petals. String one golden bead onto one of the thread ends. Pass the other thread end through the same golden bead in the opposite direction, forming an X. Pass each thread end through the adjacent black bead from the petal section to reinforce the structure. To start the next flower, continue this pattern until the bracelet reaches your desired length. For reference, I made about 17 flowers for my bracelet. After completing the final flower, weave the thread ends back through 1 or 2 adjacent flowers to secure. Tie a secure knot and consider adding a dab of glue or carefully singeing the thread ends with a lighter to prevent fraying. Open a jump ring and attach it to the end flower of the bracelet and to an extension chain, then close the jump ring. To create a charm, make an additional flower following the same steps, secure it, and trim any excess thread. Attach a jump ring to this flower and connect it to the end of the extension chain. You've now crafted your very own midnight daisy bracelet. If you love this design but don't have the time or tools to create it, you can purchase it directly from my Instagram shop or website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kinds of designs you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.